Donc, nous voici rendus à Villa Coral, petit village qui a été dévasté par le tsunami qu'il y a eu l'an dernier, je crois. Donc, ça demande beaucoup d'investissement pour redémarrer le site. Et puis, ça, on va faire un mini Urbex de Cayo Largo. Bâtiment abandonné après un tsunami. Ça doit être les salles de bain, j'imagine. Oui, c'est ça. Salle de bain. Détérioration. Front desk.
There's a strange mix of peace and unease. Paradise reclaimed. Nature is winning vines crawling into hotel rooms, sand swallowing walkways, palm trees breaking through concrete like they were always meant to be there. It's beautiful but unsettling. The air is thick and warm, heavy with salt and the slow decay of time. The resort is quiet in a way that feels intentional, like it's holding its breath. Being spotted by an eagle on a tropical island feels like a sudden shift in the air, as if the island itself has noticed you. There's a quiet tension in that moment. You feel small, measured, seen from above by eyes that miss nothing. The world slows down as the eagle circles, calm and precise, reminding you that here you are not the observer.
C'est la vie d'une souris en détresse. La souris a dit aidez-moi, aidez-moi. Puis là, l'aigle, lui, il voit la souris puis il fait
It's not fear, it's respect. A humbling awareness that you've stepped into a place ruled by instinct, patience, and that you're being watched by the island.
Je sais pas si vous le savez, extrêmement chaud à Cuba. C'est plus chaud qu'au Québec. On voit les dommages causés au plafond par le tsunami. Tsunami. C'est une belle moto, ça. y a beaucoup de travail à faire. Beaucoup de travail. Les dommages sont énormes. C'est vraiment dommage. C'est un bel endroit. Magnifique. Mais abandonné. En restauration, les amis. En restauration, les amis. Des plantes de l'Ouest, des belles fleurs. Une petite fougère. Ces petits trous-là, dans les palmiers, c'est comme la tordeuse qui ravage nos arbres au Québec. Ici, c'est les petits colimaçons qui font le ravage des arbres. Ça gruge les arbres comme la tordeuse au Québec. Bon, on va y aller en version drone.
The island is too quiet. A playground. The swings move and I don't touch them. Toys in the sand, left behind. This place remembers children. A theater. Stage still waiting. Seats face nothing. The show never ended. I feel like I'm interrupting. I should not be here. Something is watching.
Ouais, le sang est fort aujourd'hui.
Golden sun, salty air, empty beaches, forgotten paths, moss-covered stones, broken walls, the island whispers. It remembers. Standing on a balcony overlooking the empty beach, it hits you. This place wasn't destroyed, it was forgotten. And for a moment, you're not just exploring ruins, you're walking through a paused memory, a reminder that even luxury fades, but the island stays. stone rises from the jungle like a memory that refused to die. The air is heavy, thick with age. These ruins feel older than names and older than maps. Every step feels watched by time itself. Older than memories, the jungle remembers. Stone breathes and roots claim the walls.
Bravo, pas chaud. À Cayo Largo. Tapos ang magkukumbang sa atin. On va se dépêcher de compléter la tournée de Urbex. Puis, espérer, bien sûr que des titres. Comme un site de construction, un peu dangereux. Puis c'est ça, je les vois là. On voit les tops, l'ouragan en fait. Des petites humaines.
You feel small walking through structures that were clearly important once. A place where people gathered, worked, believed. Now it's just echoes. The kind you don't hear with your ears, but in your chest, with your heart. The island breathes, but IT has changed. Palms boo like prayers. Sand covers memory. Buildings are wounded. Colors fade like photographs. Mist hides what was taken, not destroyed, only rearranged. The island remembers and waits. The storm has passed, but its presence lingers. Trees lie twisted and palms snapped in half. As you walk through the ruins, every step feels like entering a world paused mid-chaos. Nature has begun reclaiming what the storm left behind.
C'est vraiment beau, malgré dans la ruine. Cafétéria.
This place was never meant to be quiet. The air feels wrong. The resort is empty, but not peaceful.
Il y a encore beaucoup d'équipements de restauration. Abandonnés.
The wind moves the curtains. There is nitrogen monoxide wind. Every room feels watched. People left. Something stayed. Footsteps echoes. They don't sound like mine.
Quand même moins dangereux que dans le bois. La tarentule, les affaires derrière, tu sais. La vaisselle.
This was paradise. Now it's a reminder. Do not stay after sunset.
Cafétéria. Ça demande beaucoup d'investissement pour redémarrer le style. On va lancer le site avec un pacanage. Travail à faire, mais...
The pool still holds water, and no one has swum here in years.
C'est pas grave, parce que les travailleurs sont très travaillants.
Every shadow feels alive. Every echo holds a story. Time bends here. Past and present collide. You're not just exploring. You're sliding through time and history. I'm heaven, and this is my expedition.
Bon, on va faire le reste en voiture. À suivre.